Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a file upload vulnerability in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is web shell upload via obfuscated file extension. Certain file extensions are blacklisted, but we can bypass that blacklist using obfuscation. And we need to get the same secret, submit it. We have our own creds. Sweet, let's check it out. Please remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know how I'm doing. Always appreciate those. So let's take a look at my notes for this. We've got bypass extension restrictions. None of those. Okay. So caps, change the extension, use multiple, add trailing characters. Let's one of those hopefully will work. Let's go to my account. Go Wiener Peter. And we will browse to Web Security Academy, file upload command. We're going to upload this only. Okay. Proxy HTTP history. We want the post here, send to repeater. Okay. First of all, I want to see if I uploaded this as straight JPG, would it allow it? It does. Okay. Why that's important is if it was doing any other checks like content type or, checking the magic numbers, we would have an issue. But it sounds like all we got to do is here. So let's start with the capitalization and we'll just capitalize the middle H. No. All right. Capitalization. No. Extension. Let's do PHP 5. No. Multiple extensions. Okay, we'll try php.jpg. That worked. We'll have to check it in just a second to see if it is actually treated like jpg.php. That one does not. So let's go back to here, and I want, let me change this. Copy link, go here. Okay, so it did treat it like an image. We're going to try adding trailing characters like that. It looks like it's got to be one, something like this, not like that, like this, right? That's what I'm thinking. Semicolon or a null byte. Semicolon j.jpg. Hey, let's try getting avatar cmd .php. No. Was the semicolon .jpg? That'd be weird. It did work. All right, let's try the null byte here. So I want the %00. Boom, look at that. That's how we do it. Yeah. Command equals who am I? Carlos. Sweet. So that's it. We can use we can write this script super easy. And that's how it's going in this in these labs so far. Python utils create. Once we've used the same script with minor changes the whole time. I guess that makes sense because I mean, there's only so many ways that you can upload a file. So, obfuscated file extension. Let's check. Let's grab the one we did yesterday, maybe. This one. Sure. Why the heck not? Copy all of it, and I'm gonna go here and paste it. I'm gonna delete this. All right, and I'm gonna close this. Sweet. All right, let's check over this stuff. Make sure it does what we want. Upload. Peter. Counts. Yeah, that looks fine. Local file name will be command. Upload file name will be command .php %00.jpg. We're not going to need this, and then we'll access the shell. I think that's it. Let's shoot, let's solve this. Uh-oh. Not found. Oh, dang it. Upload. We need a third variable. Oh, or we can just change this thing to local. There we go. There we go. Sweet, lab is solved. Another one bites the dust. Very cool. So all we did to bypass the restriction was we added a null byte character so that when PHP, so that the web server allowed it, it saw the .jpg ending and allowed it when the PHP server took over, or PHP code took over, saw the null byte and ended the statement there so that the file name ended up being just command.php. And that's it. Sweet. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.